Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today, as you can see, I'm in a different location. Yes, I can switch it up too. So I am currently on a beach in St. Thomas, Jamaica called Longboard Beach. Really nice location. Look at it. It's so cool, calm, collected, very relaxing. It's not crowded. It's just a nice serene area where you can go ahead and just come in. You could read your book if it is that you like to read, and there will be no one to bother you or trouble you. But what I'm doing here today, I'm going to be doing the unboxing for my brown sugar box. As you guys have seen me post a picture about it before. This is the box. Alright, so this is the box. It's kind of cool. I love how the box is with the black girl with her braids. It's really, to me, this is really nice. So it's brown sugar box, Izzy and Liv. Yeah. So this, I actually saw this. How did I find out about this box? I saw them on Instagram. It was an ad that came up and I saw it and I was like, oh, this looks cool. It's like a black girl box. Everything in it that has to do with a black girl. Yeah, us black melon kind of girls. So I really thought it was cool. I didn't try it at the same time, but then I saw one of my followers here on Izzy. I saw her post a picture of the box that she got. It was her first box and I was like, really? And she said, yeah, and the contents were amazing. So I went ahead and opted to try them. I'm going to leave information right here as I talk about the box here. There. So you guys can actually see what it's about. Basically, a little history of the boxes. Alright, so to start, this is the other side of the box. Izzy and Liv, Culture, Confidence, Soul. And then I have opened the box. I have opened the box before, so this is really just showing you guys or letting you know what is actually in the box. So these are the contents. Alright, so the first item I got is this book. It says Kimani Romance. Oh gosh, it looks so hot and heated and just loving it right now. So it is called Soaring on Love by Joy Avery. I really don't want to, I don't want to have this video going longer than it should, but it's about this girl whose engagement party was crashed by her fiance's mistress. I actually read the back of it, so this is why I can tell you about it. Her engagement party was crashed by her fiance's mistress, and you know the little battle ears and stay bad on them. Come crash up and mash up our things, and then she met this other guy who came with their hot heated stuff. Yeah, so I'm actually going to be reading this book because I love to read. One of my favorite authors is Eric Jerome Dickey, and for my subscribers, if you know who that is, girl, you're supposed to know his books are hot and heated, sexy books. So yeah, he's one of my favorites. So this doesn't, I don't think this runs along that line. It doesn't seem that way, but it looks steamy. So when I read it, I'm gonna let you know. Alright, so another item I got is this. These are earphones. I thought it was really cool. It's actually beads on it and some little studs. So cool. Yeah, so it's really long. These are the earbuds and the end. So it's a real stylish kind of earplugs, and yeah, I like it. It's white, so I may not use it as often, especially when I'm wearing my makeup. I don't want to mess it up. Alright, so the next item I got is this little pouch. Actually, what comes in it is that, you know that thing that you blow up and you put around your neck when you're flying to make it more comfortable to sit? Yeah, this is what it is. So it's really kind of cool. It's a box that comes with a lot of things that's convenient. As you should know, I love these kind of lifestyle boxes. I love them. I think that is one of the reasons why I love Sugar Plum. That's a Jamaican subscription box. I love it because of the convenience of it, and every item in the box I can actually use. So it's not just products or makeup or hair products. It's about everything. It has everything in it, and I love that about it. So the other item is a little coin purse, this green and yellow coin purse with Izzy and Liv written on it. This is kind of cool and sexy as well. I call it sexy because I can actually put my phone in it. But no, my phone can't hold in this. No, it's too long. But this is the purse with a zipper, yellow zipper. Yep, that's about it. Kind of cool. I love smelling new things. Yeah. Alright, so the next item in the box is a tag for a bag when you're traveling. and it has your name, the address, and the name, the address, city, state, you know, the usual stuff you'd have to write on it and put on your bag so persons can actually find your bag. And it says Travels of a Magical Black Girl. Yeah, so that's kind of cool. So the next item is a shirt. It actually, whenever you do subscribe to the box, what it does is ask, because I think in most cases, based on what I'm seeing on the boxes, that the previous boxes before the one I got, is you get shirts in them, and it actually asks, once you subscribe, it asks you for your shirt size. So you have the ladies size or men's size or whatever. So you know, you have women who are a little bigger and they wear men's sizes because women's sizes are a little bit still too snug for them, so they have to wear the men's size. So they have those sizes as well. So this is the shirt that I got. It says Official Fly Girl. It's a nice round neck shirt and it has Izzy and Liv inside. Really like this shirt. It's so black girl friendly. Like, it has little quotes on it that has the information, like stuff that black girls would say, you know, like black magic. Some of them actually, I think there's one that I saw once that had a girl on it and her little afro puff. That's why I really like this box and I was really drawn to it. I will also leave the information in terms of the cost of this box in the description box, or I will leave it, it will come up on screen because I don't quite remember. As you can see, I'm on the beach, you know, who's thinking about those things. And last and certainly not least is this little pouch. What's it called? A fanny pack. So I had one of these back when I was younger. I don't think it was called a fanny pack at that time. I actually don't quite remember. But I knew I had one of these pouches and I loved it. I used to stuff everything in it. You know, back then when you want to hide a little thing or you don't want your parents to know that you have such and such, or when you go on the bus you want to make sure you have your stuff in your bag or whatever. It's everything close to you. So that is basically what this is, and I actually like this. This one is really cool. It looks like it's like a rose gold psychedelic kind of color. Very nice. So this is one compartment here. And then it has a smaller compartment at the top. And the zipper has multicolors on it as well, just like the bag itself. So this is really, really nice. And I like this bag. And I like this box. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I do hope you actually liked this video. It may have been a little bit relaxed, or maybe I was rambling too much, but again, I'm really, really relaxed today. As I said, I'm on the beach, enjoying the cool breeze. And yeah, that's basically it for me today, and I thank you so much for watching. Thank you for subscribing, those who are subscribed. If you're watching and you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting on? Aren't you enjoying yourself so far? Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget, again, if you haven't subscribed, go ahead, I'll leave you to do that. Thumbs up if you like this video, thumbs up if you like my environment. Do you like the beach? Don't you just wish you were here right now? Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you all in the next video.